Myself Priti Rangari. I am B.Ed first year student. I have to teach you your mathematics. I am taking topic expansion of formulae, ninth class. Okay. First we will see. We will revise which formula you know. You know. Uh, First is a plus b. Who will tell me a plus b square? Who will tell me the formula a plus b square? That is, we can calculate it as. Who will tell me correct? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this formula you know very well. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then second formula is a minus b whole square. Who will tell me this formula? Correct. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and third formula, this formula you have studied earlier. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A into a square minus 2ab and plus 2ab get cancelled, and b into minus b, that is minus b square. This is the three main formulas. I am giving you some example and you have to calculate, you have to solve it. Okay, first is three x plus 2y whole square. Who will calculate it? By using this formula. Okay, a equal to 3x and b equal to 2y. Then what will be the answer? A square, that is 3x square, 3x whole square plus 2ab means 2 into a is 3x into b 2y. 3 to the 3 to the 6. 3x into 2y plus 2y whole square. 3x, what is the square of 3? Square of 3 is 9, and x square, 9x square plus, calculate it, 3 to the 6 to the 3 to the 6 to the 2, that is 12. 12xy plus 2 square is 4 and y square. This is the main answer. Okay, then calculate 98. You have to calculate 98 square. You have to calculate 98 square. 98, you have to calculate 98. Then we can write 98 as 100 minus 2. We can write it as 100 minus 2. Okay, 98 means 100 minus 2. And 100 minus 2 bracket square. Okay, you can calculate. Take this as A and 2 as B. Then write the formula. A square. Formula is this formula. A square, that is 100 square, minus 2 into A, that is 100, into B means 2, minus 2 square. Calculate it. 100 square means, what is the square of 100? Right, 1 square is right as it is as given, that is 1, and if there are 2 0, then in square you can take 4 0. Okay, then 2 into 2 4, 4 into 1 4, this 2 0, 400 minus 2 square 4. Calculate it. 10,000. This is plus. Okay, 10,000 minus 400, that is 10,004 minus 400. Calculate this. 4 minus 0 4, 0 minus 0 0. Take borrow. This will become 9, 10 9. This will become 9 9. 10. 10 minus 4 6. 9604. Answer is 9604. Okay. I am giving you another example to calculate this. 3m minus 6n. 3m minus 6n square. You have to calculate it. 3m minus 6n square. We can put this in the formula. We can use formula a equal to 3m, that is 3m whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 3m minus 3m into 6n plus b square means 6n square. What is the square of 3? Good, 9. M square. 2 3 जा 6, 6 6 जा 36. 36 mn plus 6 square 36 n square. Okay, you can put this. Now I am giving you one another other types of problem. You have to calculate it. Okay, 1 upon t plus t plus 1 upon t. You have to square it. Okay, apply formula here. A equal to t, that is a square means t square plus 2 into a means t into 1 by t plus 1 upon t whole square. Okay, what will be the answer? T square means t square, write down as it is, plus this t and 1 by t get cancelled. T upon t get cancelled. Okay, write down 2 only, and 1 by t whole square is equal to 1 by t square. This is the answer. This is your answer. I am giving you another problem also. Two p minus 1 upon 3q. Okay, square it. Do square of this equal to, we have to apply this formula. Second formula, it will applicable. Second formula will be applicable for this problem. Okay, a equal to 2p, that is 2p square minus 2 into a means 2p into b means 1 upon 3q plus 1 by 3q whole square. Okay, equal to 2p square, square of 2 equal to 4, 4p square minus 2 into 2 4 by 4p by 3q, 4p by 3q, and square of 1 upon 3q. 1 square is 1, 1 upon 3 square 9, 3 square 9 and q square. Okay, this is the answer. After this we have to apply this formula also. Now next problem is three x plus 2y into 3x minus 2y. This is your problem. Then multiply it. What is the answer? A square minus b square means we have to put a value and b value. Okay, answer will be 3x, that is 3x square minus 2y square. Calculate this. Square of 3 is 9, a square minus 2 square is 4 y square. This is your answer. Okay, then we have to prove this formula. We have to prove this formula. How to prove it? Take square this is x, this is x. Okay, there are x, a, x, b, x and a. Okay, we can calculate, we can prove this formula. Okay, then first we have to square it, that is we have to find the area of this square. This square, that is area of this square is x square plus ax plus bx plus a square. Area of this square is x square. This is a into x, this is x into b, and this is a into a, that is this is b. Okay, sorry, this is b, ab, this is ab. AB, this is AB. Then we have to solve this. X square, we can take x common from this. Then take x common, a plus b, x plus ab. This is the formula of to calculate the square or to calculate the area or square of this. Then we have to solve some example. Okay, first example is 2x minus b into 3x minus 4b. Calculate this. 2x into, that is take 2x into 3x, 2x into minus plus 2x into minus 4b plus minus b into 3x minus b into minus 4b. Okay, 2x into 3x, 3 to the 6, 6x square minus 2x into minus 4b, that is 2 4 is 8 xb plus minus b into 3x, 3xb, sorry, minus 3xb, minus minus get plus bx 4b, that is, what is this, bx plus b 4bx. Okay, got it up to this? Got it or not? Now we will take some another formula. Now we have to calculate a plus b whole cube. We have to calculate this formula. We have to prove this formula. Okay, what will be the answer? We have to take a plus b whole cube. Then we can write it as a plus b into a plus b whole square. Okay, we can write it, that is, there is 3, therefore we can write it as 1 plus 2, then a plus b into a plus b whole square. Now a plus b into square it. We have already studied this formula. We can put directly a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then multiply each term with this term. Then we can write it as a into a square plus 2ab plus b square plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. A into a square is equal to a cube. A into a square means a cube. A into 2ab means 2 into a square b. Multiply a with a. A into a square. 2a square b plus a into b square. ab square plus b into a square, that is a square b. A square b. Then 2ab square. B into 2ab means 2ab square plus b into b square means b cube. Got it? Then collect same type of terms. We can write it as a cube, a 2a square b and a square b. These are same. 2 plus 1, 3. 3a square b plus 3a square b and ab square plus 2ab square, that is 1 plus 2, 3ab square plus b cube. This is the main formula. Okay, write down here main formula. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now I am giving you some problem based on this formula. You have to solve it. Okay. Two x plus high y. You have to calculate cube of this. You have to use this formula. Okay, and then calculate it. First is a cube. A cube means 2x cube. Write down here 2x whole cube plus 3 into a square b, that is a is 2x, that is 2x square into high y, b means 5y plus 3ab square, that is 3 into a means 2x into b square means 5y square plus b cube, that is b is 5y whole cube. Calculate it. You know cube, 2x cube, we have to calculate 2x cube. Therefore, we can take first number 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Cube of 2, 8. X cube. 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. 30x square. Okay, it is wrong. We have to put this as 3 into 4x square into 5y plus 3 into 2x into 5 square is 25y square plus 5 cube 125y cube. 5 ka cube of 5 125. Okay, then write down 8x cube as it is plus, now calculate 3 4 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. Good. 60 x square into y, x square into y, that is 60 x square y plus 3 2 ja 6, 6 25 into 6, 25 6 ja, good, 150 xy square plus 125 y cube. This is final answer. Okay, got it up to this. Now I am giving you another problem. 3m, sorry, not m, m minus 1 upon n. You have to calculate cube here. Now put formula. A cube, a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. M cube, sorry, this will be plus m cube plus 3 into m square into 1 upon n plus 3a square, 3ab square, that is 3 into a means m into 1 upon n whole square plus b cube means 1 upon n cube. Write down m cube as it is, m cube plus 3m square by n plus 3m upon n square plus 1 by n cube. This will be the answer. Okay. Then I am giving you some homework. Before I will summarize it. What you have studied here. You have studied here formula a plus b whole square, then a minus b whole square, then a plus b into a minus b square, a minus b, then you have studied here a plus b whole cube. Okay, this is our study. Okay, and you have to calculate, you have to solve problem based on this 4 formulae. We have taken here 4 formulas, you have to solve it. Okay, I am giving you homework. Two minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by y square 3m, write down minus here, 3 minus 2n whole square, then fourth is 2a minus 2a plus 4b cube. These are the problem based on these formulas. You have to solve this and this is your homework. Okay, thank you very much.